During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers will automatically activate to warn of impending weather hazards. The weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm will normally be conducted by the National Weather Service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather is occurring or possible, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. The warning alarm is activated for weather warnings and selected watches, hazards, and special non-weather events that affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties and adjacent coastal waters. The forecast for the Los Angeles County coast includes
다음 주 학교 운영 때는 타순이라고.
This is the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning device. Potentially dangerous weather situations, especially automatically activate to warn of impending weather hazards. Test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm will normally weather service on every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Your weather is occurring or possible. Phone to the next good weather day. The weather warnings and selected watches on weather events that affect and Luis Obispo, Ventura, and adjacent coastal waters.
Ingredients that also are wonderful for the skin. So with Luminous, you're using less makeup with skin-friendly coverage, and your skin looks beautiful.
Thanks. Some women have been so impressed with Luminous Silk.
Բարի լույս եւս մեկ անգամ եւ այսպես հուլիսի 7-ին առաջին անգամ Երևանում ծառայության դուրս եկան բարեկային ոստիկանության ծառայողները։
Was